Even in North America, we are still suffering from high medical diagnostic cost, long wait time, and even the patient death. Hello, I'm Ashish Raichura, founder and CEO of Scanbo. Scanbo is for healthcare providers and for the remote patient that seek to combine AI and diagnostic to eliminate and monitor disease. Scanbo helps and provides the hardware and software to analyze 8 medical tests for now, and it's growing, as opposed to archaic pathology labs. Scanbo is instant, digital, and affordable. In next 5 years, AI will not replace doctors, but it will surely replace the lab from here. Medical diagnostic is today is expensive, time consuming, and also inconvenient globally. Diagnostic is important for monitoring, screening, and prognosis of any disease. Diagnostic wait time is also leading to anxiety for the entire family, including the patients. Why now than ever before? Pandemic COVID-19 has taught us a lot many things, and one of the thing is more important is to remotely monitor the patient, and that's where the remote patient monitoring is becoming a big time. Scanbo platform reduces the time for medical diagnostic, makes it available at point of care, and reduces the cost by 30 to 50%. So overall, it leads to the better outcome, early treatment, and improves the mental health. We already have a traction from last 365 days, 100 plus paid subscriptions, 42,500 tests being performed, 13,500 registered patients, and we have 18,000 glucose strips sold so far. We sit on 10 million of raw health data points. We have 10 plus distributors and go-to-market partners in different parts of the globe. Here is our partners list who trust and work with us. We are a part of Microsoft Startup, which is kind of from the US. Rural Private Association of Kenya is our distributor from Kenya, which helps us in Africa and East Africa market. University of Victoria is our chemistry and biology partner who helps us in developing our next version of devices, which is growing, and we are adding more and more parameters. We're raising 2 million, which is our seed round. Currently, we have a soft commitment of 500K. The use of the proceeds is regulation and compliance, product development, sales and marketing, and team building. And we are also seeking strategic partnership in US, Canada, Africa, and Southeast Asia. We are also looking for adding board of advisor and KOL to our board. Thank you for your time and for your patience to hear me out. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Thank you.